Now we shall study how to construct the Sellesr thread. The another name of the Sellesr thread is called as American Standard Thread. Now for this one, the included angle of thread is given as 60 degree and the fundamental height of the triangle can be calculated with respect to tan 60 degree as 0.87 p. Now let us assume the p value as 50 mm, for which the fundamental height will becomes 43.5 mm, and here the rest and crest both will be flattened, and the height of crest as well as root is h by 8, which is nothing but 5.4375 millimeter. Now let me show you how to construct the seam. Now to construct this one, let us go for line command with continuous 0.13 mm thin line. Now using that, let me draw 4 lines like this. Now this is first line, second line, third line and the fourth line. So here we have to draw the 4 different lines using the distance between command. Now let us give the value of crest. Now the value is given as 5.435. In the same way, the root will be 5.4375 millimeter. Then the fundamental height of the triangle is 43.5 millimeter. Now after drawing the required values using a line command with the same standards, now let me write the triangle like this. Now I have drawn 2. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 triangles should be drawn properly using a line command with 0.13 mm as a thickness. Now let us construct these lines. Now these lines are nothing but the center lines. After constructing these center lines, now we have to give the respective values. Now the distance between the 2 center lines, that is nothing but a consecutive distance between 2 threads, that is nothing but pitch, as 50 mm. Now using a command called equals, this length will be equal to this one, this length will be equal to this one, and this length will be equal to this one, this length will be equal to this one, and this length will be equal to this will be equal to this. Now you can see all are going to be divided equally. Now using angle between command, let us show the angle as 60 degree. Now after its completion, we have to draw the actual threads. Now using a 0.5 mm thickness from the intersection over here, let me draw a intersection to intersection. Now the form is a continuous thick line. Now this is how we have to draw only the flat lines in case of earlier American Standard Thread, which is also called as Sellesr thread. Now this is how the Sellesr thread is going to look like. Now this is going to complete the Sellesr thread construction. Now make use of curve command. Now let me show the hatchet portion to complete this thread. Now once we have done the hatching, once we have done the portion for hatching, then let us go for a command called fill. Now let us set the angle as 45 degree with spacing as 3 mm. Now let us start doing the fill. Now from here to here, here to here, all the values, all the triangles, whatever is there, that is the external portion should be properly filled. Now this completes the one more type of thread, that is called as Sellesr thread or earlier American Standard threads as per the given standards.